Hello there. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you exactly how you can download and install Venmo on your mobile device. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet, so let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead into your app library and open your app store. Now, on the bottom, as you can see, there's a search bar. Simply go ahead and search for Venmo. Just like that. And once you've searched on it, as you can see, it's the first thing that pops up. All you need to do is go ahead and tap on it and click on this download button right over here. It depends on your internet speed how fast this is going to go ahead and download. For me, it's going to be pretty quick. It could be slow for you as well. Now, once it is downloaded, all I need to do is simply go ahead and open it, and there you go. Now you can create an account or log in depending on your needs. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.